solve 4x squared minus 8x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now again, we have several options as to a process for solving this quadratic equation. This looks like a good candidate for the quadratic formula, so let's use that one. A is equal to 4, B is equal to negative 8, and C is equal to negative 3. Again, the A, B, and C are the coefficients on our x squared, our x term, and then C is our constant. Our formula is x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So let's input our a, b, and our c into the formula. Negative b, or the opposite of negative 8, is 8 plus or minus the square root of b squared, so negative 8 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 4, times c, which is negative 3, all over 2 times a, which is 4. Okay, now this will give us 8 plus or minus the square root of 64 minus 4 times 4 is 16 times negative 3 is negative 48, so we have a plus 48, minus negative 48 is a plus 48, all over 8. That gives us 8 plus or minus the square root of 112 all over 8. And that's equal to 8 plus or minus the square root of 16 times 7 all over 8, which is equal to 8 plus or minus 4 square roots of 7 over 8. Now, let's do some factoring in the numerator. We can take a 4 out in front, factor a 4 out of the numerator, leaving us with 2 plus or minus the square root of 7 all over 8. And then 4 cancels with the 8, leaving us with a 2 in the bottom. So we have two answers now. We have 2 plus the square root of 7 over 2. And then we have 2 minus the square root of 7 over 2.